attack. He wasn't able to recoil, regroup, and put up his defense. That's why he got tagged.
Dito papasok yung tactics sa bench o dun sa tinatawag na corner.
Well, yung sinasabi natin about unpredictability, no? Para nakikita natin dito, si Marquez na nagiging very unpredictable. Di natin malaman kung anong ginagawa niya, no? Kanina, he was very aggressive and then he was counter-punching. So he's mixing up his style at medyo hindi pa nababasa masyado ni Pacman kung anong dapat niyang gawin.
That was a good body from Manny, trying to mix it up, trying to get a point and figuring out Marquez's style.
I think it's clear that Manny has to work the jab. He's got to work that jab.
Pero yung kaliwa ni Manny Pacquiao, mukhang basa-basa ni Marquez kasi ang layo ng pinanggagalingan.
That's right.
Yun ang problema mo when you have an orthodox fighter fighting a southpaw. Basa nila pareho, nasa loob sila pareho eh.
Well, all it takes is for Manny.
Tinaman naman si Pacquiao.
Pacquiao getting hit there with a shot.
See,
Manny needs to work that right jab because that right jab will allow him the opportunity to step in with a left hook. He's got to work the right jab.
So far, no, Marquez has had the numbers of Pacquiao in this first one, or actually 2.5 rounds.
And you can tell from the way Manny stands, Marquez is going around him, so Manny has to go around Marquez. That's why Marquez is getting the upper hand in terms of positioning the body.
Marquez being egged on by his countrymen. Parang yung balance ni Pacquiao a bit suspect dito, no?
You see how he ducked down? The last time he would just back out and he would get it with that straight. This time he'll duck down and try to miss Pacquiao a headbutt.
Nagkautugan na naman. This is the second time that we have seen a clash of heads in this fight.
You also notice, Chino at saka si Donito, Marquez is keeping that distance away from Manny Pacquiao. There's a lot of space in between, and that is an advantage for Marquez because he has a 5-inch reach advantage.
Right.
Manny has to move inside. He's got to cut that distance, make it close so that he can connect. He's not finding the range. Masyadong malayo si Marquez para sa kanya.
Nagkautugan na naman. Third clash of heads. Manny Pacquiao nang gigigil dito sa punto na ito. He hits Marquez.
Wow, this is very, very interesting fight.
Pina-fake nila si Pacquiao before that jab. Pina-fake nila nung left, straight, and then goes with a jab. Ayun, no?
Nice shot.
Tama, and Marquez
There
triggers.
goes Marquez.
That's a left hand.
Finally,
Left
Pacquiao
hand
waking
connected.
up. And again, that bomb by Pacquiao using the left. Marquez is down.
Fantastic
Down
shot.
goes Marquez.
Manny Pacquiao.
Ito na ang ating alaksan moment dahil napakatindi ng bakbakan.
The power of Manny Pacquiao showing up in round number 3. Marquez is hurt.
But Marquez exchanges, and Marquez is staggering.
He's lost.
Actually, hilong-hilo. Si Marquez hindi niya alam kung saan ang corner niya. He thought the blue corner was his corner dito.
Yeah.
Well, unbelievable ending. Nahanap na ni Manny Pacquiao ang kanyang range. All he had to do was to move in closer and step in with that left hook.
That was a
That's his
devastating.
big punch.
That was a devastating fight. As you can see from Marquez right now, he lost his will. He looks like he lost his strength right now, and his eyes are gone.
Doon mo makikita how explosive Manny Pacquiao is. He turned around the match with just one big punch. Look at his left.
Right here,
Boom!
bang.
At the left hand. Again, yung sinasabi natin kanina, no? If Marquez is not a safe distance away, and if that space is close, Manny Pacquiao is gonna land. Once he's able to step in, as he did, he stepped in with a left hand, then he's gonna get one Manuel Marquez, and he did it right there.
Barangay Pilipinas ay sumusuporta sa iyo.